You want Zen or you want a Mercy?
I think the guy picked for us.
Oh.
Joining
Well.
team.
Yeah, get everybody in the chat.
Get them all in the chat.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
I'm ready to kill.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Stick to the plan. And if
Okay, guys, we need to make space for this Widow. So we need to push them up. Make sure she can get a good vantage point, alright?
Oh boy.
I love it.
Love it? Good.
Cookie doesn't exactly DPS. But,
Do you want me to play DPS and you can play something else?
yes. She
Yes.
plays a lot of Diva. Off tank's perfect.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Got Hanzo, Moira, Ryan.
Watching your back.
Need heal.
Sorry.
Ryan
We traded the
down?
DPS for a healer. That's a good trade.
What?
Got the Widow.
Want the healers down?
Tank's down
Yo,
too.
we in this. I mean, I lost my mech, but we got it, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's all good.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
I have nano.
Sounds good.
Bruh, if this works, watch this.
But I'm on cart. Oh, it's a recent on, it's on cart. Never mind, I'm not on cart then.
Got the Widow. I'm just coming behind. Got him.
Nice pick. Oh,
Oh
sorry.
my god.
I died.
This
Widow on
fucking
the
Widow
left as
keeps
soon as
going
you go-
behind us.
Widow on the left as soon as you go through the
Yeah.
choke.
Name.
Zen slept.
Oh, that's what's going on up here, huh?
Help!
Getting out of here.
Fuck!
Yeah,
Okay.
you gotta group. You gotta group hard. You need to actually have a team fight here.
You're down two. They're short one.
My team.
I'm not in my mech right now.
I'm gonna ult and switch.
I have ult, so just break that Ryan shield.
Yep.
I killed two.
Who wants
Roger
nano?
that. Move in.
Got the Moira.
Oh my god, that was so ugly.
The Widow's one.
She said. Somebody stay on cart. He's one. He's one. Ryan's one.
Ryan's down.
Sorry,
Zarya. Moira.
Popping off, boys.
Alright, I'm gonna go switch off.
Wait, switch to Moira.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Or do you want something else?
No, that's good.
Okay.
I was just wondering.
I just didn't know where the value was with.
Yeah, it's all good.
I'm gonna say my defense.
Excuse me?
Behind us, Widow peeking backside.
Yeah, we back out of this. We just back out. We don't give moral charge. No, we back out. We back out. Nope. Come on. Come on.
Pull back. Cookie, come back! Cookie, come back!
Oh my god.
No, it's fine, it's fine. She gets back faster.
Yeah, she gets the mech back now. That's fine.
What the fuck?
The fuck?
Oh, the Hanzo Sonic arrow.
I'm
Yep.
sorry, Parker. You're just running into all the Smurf widows today.
I know. I've been killing all of them though, so.
Oh my god.
You have a diva now?
But we gotta go. We gotta wait. We have to be able to go in as a team and have a team fight.
I'm at 83% to ult.
When faced with a setback, we must challenge our assumptions.
You know, they're gonna have a bunch of faults now too from this.
Watch out, Widow's camping spawn
We're all
card.
together.
I got her.
We're
Okay, good job.
alright. We go in. We go in on that. Hanzo. Alright. Now just stay alive. Stay alive. Play passive. Stay alive.
Dragons.
Okay. Let's go.
Where's that Ryan at? Is he alive?
Zarya's low.
Widow's,
Oh, he doesn't have a
Widow's
Ryan.
peeking backside.
There was a flaw in my approach.
If you can, I'd probably say go left when you're exiting. Good Sunbear.
This Zarya's high charge.
Poke Zarya. Kill her.
Trying, but there's like a fucking.
Zarya's half.
She's so one. Alright. She's dead. Who's next?
Oh shit.
Widow's down.
There was a flaw.
Yeah, we're out of that. Don't go in.
Can we go left instead of mid?
Go left.
Yeah,
we can go
let's
left.
just go left instead of mid. Because we can just pop out the payload
Alright,
actually.
are we all together? Go left beside Widow.
Ooh, let's pick
go
Diva.
ahead.
Pick Diva.
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 Diva almost out of mech. Oh my god, this bitch.
Diva D-Mac.
I need some help.
Widow.
This baby diva's just free shooting at me.
Widow keeps
God,
camping
it took so
backside.
long.
We should really go left. Like
Yep.
Widow's camping our spawn when we go right.
Yep, we were going left. We went left.
Bomb.
We're going left again.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Let's...
I'm gonna
Okay.
go behind him
Yeah.
and throw a bomb.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Never mind, Brick
no.
saw me.
There was a flaw in my approach.
Nerf this.
I don't know what else I could have done.
Not that the Zarya was high charged the whole entire time.
Score
Yeah.
2-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero. Science will reveal the truth.
You're going Hanzo, I'm probably just gonna go energy.
Okay.
Attackers.
I just wanna run double
I
snipers.
just figured they keep playing long range is the only way to counter long range
Yeah.
is going long range.
That's true.
My artificial intelligence makes it possible to learn from my experiences and from everything I observe.
Five, four, three, two, one. Attackers incoming.
Alright,
End
let me
objective.
call out who I put Discord on.
Gotcha.
It's on Winston.
Diva's left.
Winston's low, he jumped out. I'm about to jump on that Widow. Never mind, she's gone.
Ooh, Zen.
It's on Winston again. Melted him. Easy. It's on Baby Diva. Easy.
I got it.
Yep. Yes, you did.
Holy shit, that
The
Zen.
last round mech 2. We gotta go together. They're just putting Discords on everyone that the
Widow
Widow's
top.
shooting at.
Widow top. Left. She has sights.
Yep. They're just shooting gallery.
We must all make sacrifices in the name of science.
Widow's
so
camping
unlucky
spawn.
with these
Back up.
animades.
Heal you.
She's camping spawn.
Yep. We're
What?
looking at spawn.
Restore the payload.
Widow flying up. She just went down.
Yep, Widow's right there. And just got her.
Good pick. Sending heals out.
Your condition.
When we get a new shield, let's go forward.
You don't have your stun. Down a healer.
Oh my god.
We must all make sacrifices in the name of science.
Wait up, wait up.
My will made real.
Widow's camping
What the
spawn
fuck?
right
Yeah,
side.
we can't. Yeah.
It used my
Can't stay
deflect.
still. Didn't come out.
I mean, if a monkey's jumping on us, wouldn't it be smart to have a Reaper?
What was our
I'm busting my ult. I'm switching to Brig. Get back, Diva. You're gonna die there.
Oh, Zen, don't back up! Zen, don't back up!
Tried to.
Sorry. You were backing into the dragon.
I'm switching to Brig.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh, they used their ults.
Huge. We can
all I
capitalize
could.
on that. Huge. Diva, get a health pack if you need it. I'm on cart. Widow's looking down main.
This will heal.
Okay, watch. Okay, health.
I must
Brig and I are coming back. Sending
I'm
heals
not
on
gonna
a point.
survive
Sending
in
heals
here.
on a point.
Game.